Good evening, everybody. I'm Fox 2 News meteorologist Chris Higgins with a winter storm update. We have winter weather advisories remaining in effect for the entire Fox 2 News viewing area pretty much through the rest of tonight as we get into the wraparound on the back end of our double barrel storm system. Had that first wave earlier this morning that brought us the quick dusting to an inch, but now this has been a much stronger wave as expected tonight, and snowfall rates have been quite impressive with rather large snowflakes at times. Here are the numbers as of about 10:30 reported into us here at the Fox 2 studios. There are more numbers we've received off our website, but this just gives you a flavor of what's fallen, and this does include the totals from this morning, from the early morning snow on Sunday, added to what has fallen this afternoon. Elsa, Illinois at 4 inches, 4.3 at Edwardsville, 2.5 to 3 at Glen Carbon, now at an inch, or rather 4 inches at Belleville. We can update that 3.9. Waterloo at 2.3, House Springs at 2, Baldwin 2.5 to 3, Creve Coeur 3.5. So you get the general idea, 2 to about 4 to 4.5 inches on average so far, and the snow is not over as we approach the midnight hour. The center of the storm system is now due south of St. Louis, near Fredericktown, Missouri. That is going to continue off to the east. The first wave of snow was the front end snow, and that usually is the heaviest, but this back end snow, the wraparound snow, can also be pretty good as well, and we are looking at additional accumulations of perhaps 1 to 2 inches from 10 p.m. on top of what you may already have on the ground. Take a look at the close-up digital Doppler. Again, this is as of 10:40 this evening, and some very impressive snow bands lined up right along I-44 in South St. Louis County along the Merrimack River. Another one up here around St. Charles County, West St. Louis County. This is very impressive snow, large snowflakes. It's on the northern edge of our upper-level storm system, and as that upper-level storm moves away to the southeast, this band will rotate back in from the southeast as well. So some very impressive snow over the next couple of hours on the northwestern flank of the storm system as it begins to drop onto the south. So you folks down here to the south who have not received much, if any, snow so far, you're going to get in on some of that wraparound snow as we go through the remainder of this evening and overnight tonight. Temperature-wise, that's the other part of the story. It's quite cold. Teens and low 20s right now, 20 at Chesterfield, 20 at Alton. Probably only dropping another degree or two, but with winds picking up out of the northwest at 20 miles per hour or better, wind chills will be dropping into the single digits. So the highlights as we go through the rest of tonight: wraparound snow will be tapering off between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m. Additional snow accumulations on the order of an inch or two should bring storm totals in general in the metro to between 3 and 5 inches, about 1 to 2 inches well south of town, 2 to 4 inches well north of town, but generally 3 to 5 inches for a storm total in the metro look pretty good at this point. So here's your forecast through the rest of tonight. Periods of snow winding down after 3 a.m. Total storm accumulations will be on the order of 3 to 5 inches, a little less to the south and to the north, but right along the heart of the viewing area along the Missouri River and I-70 in Missouri and between I-70 and I-64 in Illinois, 3 to 5 inches. Pretty good bet. 19 degrees, that overnight low. During the day on Monday, snow squalls. It's not going to be dry all day. There'll be pockets of heavy snow that develop. They last for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then they'll end. And that's going to go on and off throughout the day. So some pockets of snow bursts, we'll call them, or snow squalls. Very windy, too. Northwest winds at 15 to 25. High temperature, 28 degrees. 5-day forecast, some snow flurries lingering on Tuesday with a high of 29. 32 degrees on Wednesday, 34 on Thursday. Then another storm system arrives on Friday. That's our next chance for a rain-snow mix. Temperatures will be in the 30s with that rain-snow mix transitioning to all snow by Friday night.